Hi, I'm Radhakrishnan. I've been in the industry for about 29 years and had global experience working for Molex, Tyco Fire and Security, Siemens Video, Quest Global Aerospace, and now working as the Director of Purchase for Mann & Hummel, a global filtration company, head office in Germany. In today's business, it's all about accuracy, speed, long-term relationship with customer, and sustainability. HR, finding the right resource in billions of people around the world, is always a challenge. The challenge has been growing and it will always be growing. So it's about understanding the customer's requirement, mining into the resource available around the world, and picking the right resource in line with the customer's requirement. There's always a lead lag between the availability and the requirement of the industry in HR, like any other economics that we see. Businesses always want the best, and that makes it a big challenge when they're looking for a good partner in HR who can bring them the best in terms of the human resource in the industry. Futures and Careers under Giri Krishnan, whom I have been knowing for the last 5 years, have a lot of passion in what they do, and they deliver what is expected by the customer over and beyond their expectations. And they stay accountable for their deliverables, generally hard to find on a sustainable basis in the industry amongst the HR partners that we find. Giri believes in understanding his client's requirements, engaging very closely with the customer, and one can expect a lot of communication upfront in the preparation phase with which he is able to deliver reliable, long-standing, and precise solution that the customer expects. Futures and Careers is not a fly-by-night organization. They are here to stay, and they will stay for a long, long time. That's because of their deep-rooted values and virtues that they carry along with running their business. The client will always find it difficult to match another HR partner to match the commitment levels of what we find in the team at Futures and Careers. Apart from me being associated with Futures and Careers over the last 5 years on various assignments, I have recommended them to quite a few of my friends in the industry. And they all have one point to share, and that is they're extremely glad and happy to be associated with Futures and Careers, and Giri in particular as a HR partner.